Did you hear? May sinasabi tong batchmate natin.
Ano? Baka ano na naman yung naririnig mo?
Uy, hindi Parang totoo talaga to.
Ano ba yun?
Get this. Sabi nila, dapat kunin mo ang Math 10 para gumraduate at bawal mo daw siyang i-fail.
Huh?
Promise, parang totoo talaga to.
Shucks. Adi, kailangan kunin namin ni Pat yun.
Grabe.
Don't worry, Pat. Madali lang naman daw yun.
Eh, ang hinang-hina ko sa math eh. Besides, paano naman matutulong yung numbers na yun sa buhay ko eh.
Wait, you know what? If nahihirapan ka talaga sa math, you should ask Kat for help.
No way. Ang maldita nun, sobrang attitude.
Get this. May narinig ako na may pinaiyak nga siyang prof last sem. Maawa ka naman kay Pat, eh. Nahihirapan na nga sa math, magpapatutor pa kay Kat.
You know what? If you don't want to do it, then don't do it. It's just that bali-balita ako, magaling daw talaga yun sa math. And I think she's the only person here who enjoys it.
Rika, next semester mo ba kukunin yung math 10? No, this sem na. Why? Sabay ako. You know naman, I'm not good at math. That's because we've never really made an effort to actually like math. No offense ha, pero ang hirap kaya ng math. Mas gusto ko pa nga mag-grade ng essay kaysa sa mag-solve ng problem eh. I despise that subject ever since I was a kid. Ang dami mo sinasabi. Isa lang naman yung point mo eh. Ayaw mo talaga sa math. Pero instead of looking at math in a way that it makes things complicated, have you ever thought that it makes complicated things easier to understand? Huh? Ano naman ibig mong sabihin? For example, if nagbabudget ka for finances, parang ang hirap naman gawin nun pag walang math, diba? Like, without numbers, it will be chaotic. Or kung nagbe-bake ka, yung mga measurement. Hi, Ewan! Basta sabay natin kunin, ha? Para pa daw magpaturo sa'yo. Sino naman nagsabing tuturuan kita? Ito naman, parang di ako friends since freshie. Whatever, let's just see how it goes. Yes! Thank you! Mahal mo talaga ako.
Uy, bakit? Makausap ko na ba sa
Para sa math eh?
Oo, balita ka na ng totoo naman talaga yun.
Para yun ang yun, may gusto yung magpatubos na.
Alam mo, ewan ko sa'yo, binibigyan ka na nga ng solusyon sa problema mo.
Kahit mas required yan. I'm a communications major for a reason.
Wow, you're already dreading it ha? Kakastart pa lang ng SEM, huy.
Kamusta pala? Naka-full units ba kayo?
Thankfully, oo. Magkakasi ba tayo sa math eh? Ano section mo? Section H ako eh.
Naku, section Q ako.
Uy, pareho tayo. Yes, may kasama ako. Apir.
Seryoso ba yan? Sinong kasama ko niyan? Tanungin ko sa klase para sa lessons natin.
Well, ang masasabi ko na lang siguro para sa'yo ay good luck! Kasi you're gonna need it.
Nakakainis kayong kausap eh.
Kaklase kita sa math 10, di ba? Section H ka rin ba? Oo. Saan na nga ulit yung classroom natin? KA 104 ata. Tara na, baka ayoko maliit sa klase.
Good afternoon, class. Welcome to Math 10. I'm so glad to have you in my class. So before we do anything lectures, we're going to be having a pre-test, which will be done in pairs. I sent it to you via email, so please check that. And you'll be having the remaining time of our class to accomplish that so that we can see what we're working with, kung ano yung mga alam nyo na at hindi nyo pa alam. So these are going to be equations and problem solving. So yeah, if you have any questions, just let me know. I will be outside.
Ano ba yan? Hindi tayo magka-partner. Buti naman, ikaw na lagi kong nakikita since freshman year eh. Eh paano? Ako lang yung friend mo. Hello? Wait, sino yung Patrick na yan? Di mo kilala si Patrick? Sikat yan sa school. Magtatanong ba ako kung kilala ko? Hintayin mo na lang at baka late. O siya, alis na ako at hinihintay na ako ng partner ko.
Mr. Verona, you're tardy on the first day of class, I see.
Sorry ma'am, something came up.
Just refer to Kat. I think she will have to discuss the activity with you.
Okay. At Shanghai? Hi, Patrick. Oh.
I will answer the question then the rest we have the rest of the videos. Pwede naman tayo mag-if we need any questions.
Sabi. Ayan.
Okay, then we're good. Pwede mo naman ako i-talk back.
Jesus. Hindi ko pa rin talaga mag-guess kung bakit kailangan natin pag-aralan ulit yung math. I mean, it's really just numbers. It's add, multiply, subtract, divide, whatever. It's just difficult enough to learn about it. Hindi pa tayo kunin ulit para mag-graduate.
Look at it in this way na lang. Even the best mathematicians struggled at one point. No one's expected to be perfect at math the moment they're given a problem to solve. May mga problems nga na hindi masolve kahit gaano pa katagal.
Whatever. I'm only here because I'm required to. I just have to pass and that's what we're here for.
Ah, ganon. Ano, teacher lang ako para makapasa ka ng isang course? I'm going out of my way to learn the syllabus and modules para lang turuan ka. And the entire time we've been doing this, all you do is complain. I hate doing this as much as the next guy, but all I ask is for some semblance of appreciation sa effort ko. Look at the bigger picture, Pat. Maybe the reason why it's required is because it has significance in your life. Kahit na hindi mo pa makita kung ano yun.
Ano ba gusto sa math?
Huh?
Why do you like math? Ang lahat ng may kilala ko ayaw dun eh. But you seem to really enjoy it.
I guess I tend to like things people don't see the beauty in.
Maganda ba sa math?
Let me keep talking. It's obvious at first, but math can be seen in anything and everything. I mean, kahit sa art. There are ratios, balance, texture, patterns, all of which involve some kind of math. Even if hindi alam ng tao na ginagawa nila yon, there are maths. Even sa music, dance, and acting. Mathematical concepts aren't separate from it. Science involves math, and it's expressed through math. Even your body, the cell, the heart, the organs, lahat may mathematical formula to explain the timing, the numbers, and the use. Gets mo na?
Gets.
So, alam mo na kung anong gagawin natin sa activity.
Actually, I have an idea.
Okay, thank you for the wonderful insights from the both of you. Now let's move on to our next pair of presenters, Kat and Patrick.
Ma'am, si Patrick po yung mag-represent sa amin.
Okay, so Kath and I wrote this poem. It's about how I started off viewing math as irrelevant to my life, but looking like a nuisance lang siya sa experience ko. But the more that Kath and I spent together, it made me realize that math is more than just what you know it to be. So this is my poem. I hate how you make me stop and think when all I want is a quiet blink. I hate how you want what's right, not near. No half-cooked answer, no guessing here. I hate your formulas sharp and tight, like secret codes in black and white. I hate your problems that smile and seem sweet at first, but a harmless dream. But mostly, hate the truth I see. I don't really hate what you seem to me. You teach me to think, not run and hide, to solve what's hard until what's hard is gone. You teach me to pause when the world feels loud, to choose my steps when I'm lost in the crowd. I like that you're visible in time and daily plans, in beating hearts and counting hands. I like that you're the bridge I cross each day, a tangible formula that guides my way. I like how you speak in tongues, unintelligibly so, but you're never far from reach, never one to let go. I like that you're in my future, clear and wide, even when I try to push you aside. I hated how hard you challenged me. Now I love how far you've set me free.
All right, very impressive, Mr. Verona.
So I guess I don't hate math anymore.
Ha? Ano? Sabihin mo nga ulit.
I can slightly tolerate math now.
Wow.
Don't get used to it. Kailangan mo pa turuan para sa mga quizzes eh.
Jay, basta libre mo ako.
It's a deal then.